This is job number SS-0324, 150 ton Wabash with a low tonnage cold press on the rear side. The press is set up with a low pressure and a high pressure circuit. We're going to show a demonstration. We're actually going to close both presses at the same time, but you can obviously run them one or the other. They each have their own pound buttons. The 150 ton press allows you to turn the low pressure on or off. So if you don't want to use low, you can go right to high. The cold press has controls on the back side also. The only thing on the front you have to adjust is the timer for the cold press. That's on the front of the panel. So go ahead. I'm going to have them push all 4 pound buttons. So both presses are closing now. You have to hold the buttons until the clamp light comes on. And the hot press is set now to go into low pressure for a few seconds. Once it clamps, you'll be able to watch the gauge in low pressure. And then when that low pressure times out, it kicks into the high pressure. And again, if you didn't want the low pressure, you just can turn it off or turn the timer to 0. Once the presses time out, they open, and when they get to the bottom, the press shuts down. The heated platens have 2 zones per platen. The cold press has platens that can be water cooled or air cooled. Those have all been cleaned out. They all have free flow. That completes SS-0324.